Hey guys, this is Jordan. Welcome and thank you for watching. Today is Friday and Fridays are for speed art or speed editions. That depends on how many steps I do in each edition. Would you like to watch how I made this edition? Keep on watching. I found this image on Pinterest. I have always wanted a pajamas more or less similar to this one. But living in Cancun is a bit difficult. You know, the wet weather doesn't help. Anyway, once I found this pajama, I tried to imagine what my avatar should look like wearing this pajama. First of all, I must confess that I've been trying different looks in my avatars for a long time. I have tried all kinds of looks, from ginger to blonde to ombre, but everything makes me return to my brunette side. I'm really white despite living in Cancun. So trying and trying, I chose this look. I think it's a little Asian style, but I love it. Although, I must confess that in the last few days, I have chosen to be a little blonde. In this edition, I decided to put a beautiful and modern room in the background. And well, I hope you can enjoy this edition.
Somebody who loves me, who makes me feel so bright. I don't wanna lose that somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody. I don't wanna
If you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you on the next one. Bye!